Emdoor Info, the world's leading provider of ruggedized mobile computers, have built a new factory in Pingshan District, Shenzhen, to meet future business needs. The new factory is about 5,000 square meters, including 1,500 square meter workshop, 2,500 square meter storage center, and 1,000 square meter office area. The factory covers the entire industry chain system, from upstream manufacturing to downstream after-sales service. The annual production capacity is more than 400,000 for ruggedized mobile computers. Here, 8 production lines have been deployed, 2 processing lines, 2 assembly lines, 2 testing lines, and 2 packaging lines in the workshop, which are jointly produced with an advanced manufacturing acquisition system. 3 warehousing areas combined with IoT barcode technology to realize intelligent warehouse operation. To maximize production, Emdoor has deployed multiple functional departments such as PMC, Quality Center, Laboratory, and a restructured after-sales room to provide comprehensive and seamless production docking. The new factory is a mark of future, where Emdoor is geared towards delivering advanced rugged mobile computers to customers.